Even as Senate President Chis Escudero stands his ground over the start of the impeachment trial, the House of Representatives even intensified their own operations.
The lower house has designated a secretariat for the impeachment and even released an explainer video for the public to understand why they are moving for the ouster of Vice President Sara Duterte.
But the prosecution panel members also admit that they are worried about the long delay in the trial, saying their evidence and witnesses might be compromised by then. Camille Samonte with tonight's big story.
Nakasalukuyang miyembro ng House sa 19...
When the nation awaits the first ever impeachment trial of a vice president, the House of Representatives has released a video detailing the alleged infractions of Sara Duterte. The clip also serves as a defense of more than 200 congressmen who made the historic move to impeach Duterte on February 5.
Nang manumpa siya bilang pangalawang pangulo ng ating bansa noong July 1, 2022, nangako siya sa bayan na pangangalagaan at ipaglalaban ang konstitusyon at ipapatupad ang mga itinakdang batas nito. Ngunit sa loob ng 3 taon niyang panunungkulan, paulit-ulit na nilabag ni VP Sara ang kanyang sinumpaan.
The 9-minute video also presents the articles of impeachment that the lower chamber invoked on Duterte, such as the VP threatening the President, First Lady, and the House Speaker during a midnight press conference back in November.
Culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption, other high crimes.
There's also the Office of the Vice President's questionable spending of confidential funds. From the House's end, it looks like they're ready to begin Duterte's trial, and soon, the lower chamber has designated 11 of its own to stand as prosecutors and has even organized an impeachment secretariat to help out the prosecution team.
Pagpapatunay na ang House ay handa na, ito po'y magsisilbing mga kasama namin dito, lalong-lalo na sa mga research, sa mga legal research.
Chua, as one of the handpicked prosecutors, is worried about the proposed impeachment timeline of Senate President Chis Escudero. Escudero has put the start of the trial proper by July 30. Chua finds too far off. He notes the 5-month wait could endanger the pieces of evidence they already have on hand, as well as the safety of witnesses.
Yung tampering of evidence, isa po yan. Pangalawa po, yung mga testigo po natin, siyempre yung anxiety ng mga testigo natin mas lalong tumitindi.
But Escudero is adamant the trial is not going to start until after the 20th Congress is sworn in. He blasted the House of Representatives once more for waiting until the last minute to push the complaint along.
Kung talagang yan ang concern nila, bakit sila naghintay ng 2 buwan bago nila ginalaw yung impeachment na inihain sa kanila noong Desyembre pa? Kung yan talaga ang kanilang concern, bakit nila final ng huling araw ng sesyon ng Senado? Ulitin ko, kung sila hindi nagmadali noon, wala sila sa lugar, wala silang legal at moral basis na madaliin kami ngayon. Ulitin ko rin, hindi namin to dinedelay, Congressman Chua, hindi lang namin minamadali.
Congressman Chua and other prosecution panel members have explained the delay away by pointing out that they are a much larger body than the Senate.
Hindi po ganun kadali na mag-agree ang lahat at mag-master ng 1/3 dahil mahigit 300 po yan, 306 kung hindi po ako nagkakamali. Unlike po kasi sa Senado, 24 lang po yan, madali po yung kumausap ng 24 senador.
It's really a leadership call. Nasa kanila na po yan. Nasa kanila yung bola.
For News 5, Camille Samonte, we are One News.